How to upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can upload a profile picture on Facebook without cropping. So let's dive in. So if you use your Facebook app, it's going to crop the image automatically. What you have to do is use a browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use Safari as well. Now open your Chrome browser, and then on your browser you have to log in into your Facebook account by searching for facebook.com, and then you have to click these three dots over here and scroll through and find this option that says request desktop site and click this option. And now it's going to open the desktop version for you. Now you have to click this camera icon over here. First you have to just click this profile icon on the top right corner and click your profile name over here, and then it's going to open this page, and then you have to click this camera icon, and then you have to choose upload photo. To choose a profile picture first, you can upload a photo from your gallery, or you can click one by clicking this take photo, or you can choose from files. I'm going to go to my photo library and then just pick a picture and come back. And now you can drag to reposition the picture into the circle that is going to be visible on your Facebook page, but I'm going to show you that it isn't going to be cropped. So now click save over here without clicking crop photo or dragging this option over here. Just click save. Now once the picture uploads, you have to click this image over here, and then it's going to pop up with these two options, and you have to click see profile picture. And here you go. You can see the picture is in its full aspect ratio and it isn't cropped. This is the full image that I uploaded. And that's how you upload a profile picture on your Facebook without cropping.